Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you on how to create a program that will ask the user first and second number or two numbers, and then our program will simply divide the two given numbers using function in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, leaving a comment, and suggestion. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here sharply include IOStream for input output, and then I create a function here, divide number. We have here two passing parameters, double numerator and denominator. So now when we say double, it is a data type now that has a decimal value. So if denominator is 0, division by 0 is not allowed. There is the error checking, it will return 0. So else numerator divide denominator. In main, it is the function that is being executed by our C++ compiler. And then line number 14, we declare another set of variables, num1, num2, which has a data type of double. So we have the title, divide two numbers using function in C++. Line number 17, 18, enter first value that will be stored in our variable num1. Line number 20 and 21, we are asking the user to give second number stored in variable num2. So here, line number 23, we have here a comment, call the function and store the result in a variable. So another here 24, we declare another variable that is result, which acts as an assignment statement, double, calling a function divide numbers, and then we pass the variable num1 in num2 here, and then we display the result of division, result, and line return 0, return to our operating system, right, curly bracket close to close the main body of our function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two website. Let us go to build and run. In code blocks, okay, our program is running right now. Divide two numbers using function in C++. Enter first number, let's say we have 9, and then the second number, let's say we have 3. So the result of division is 3. Okay, another example. Let's say we have 14.20 divided by 2. So we have your result of division is 7.1. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on divide two numbers using a function or creating a function in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for your support by watching, leaving a comment, questions, and most importantly by watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.